Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I just did the Ipsy review for June 2018. If you're interested, that video will be up. I'm not sure which one of these videos will be up, but I got a bunch of boxes while we were away, and I wanted to share them with you so I could put the stuff away. I don't know why Walmart hates me, but for some reason, I get the box. I'm not sure if maybe geographically I get the box last. I don't know, but I'm in California, and I know I could see the East Coasters get the boxes before the West Coasters, so I really think it's geographic. However, it comes from Illinois. Walmart beauty boxes are $5 in shipping. The products in here are free, so you really can't complain too much. And if you do complain too much, they don't care, because I have complained about the fact that they're so late. Like, this is for spring. I don't know if it's the classic. I don't know if it's trendsetter. What I mean by that is you put in your age and you get determined to be a classic age or a trendsetter age. My natural age of 46, 47, I don't know how old I am. I don't know how old I am. That was a problem a few days ago. I could not remember how old I am, but I think I'm going to be 47. I kept telling everybody I was going to be 48 this year. I think I'm going to be 47, so I believe I'm 46 right now. You know what, I have brain fog. Go with me on this, okay? So I was born in 71, the end of 71, it's now 2018. So I'm 46 right now. So I'm going to be 47 at the end of the month. So as my natural age of 46, I am the classic box. I then flipped my age minus 20 years, so 26 years old, and that is the trendsetter box. I've subscribed to both. I got an email saying that 2 boxes were shipped to me. However, the UPS number was exactly the same, and it is this one. So I don't know if I'm ever going to get the second box. This one came sometime when we were gone, and I don't know. It's almost summer, and here's the spring Walmart box. However, again, the items are free, so you really can't complain too much. The only difference between classic and trendsetter is the trendsetter tends to give you things like nail products or hair products, like hair doodads and different makeup products, where the classic is more skincare and old lady products, in my opinion. So, but usually everything you get in the Walmart boxes, along with Target beauty boxes, are usable products, as opposed to like Ipsy. Half the stuff I don't use. So I don't know what's in here, but I'm probably going to use it. They're always kind of pretty. They used to be kind of ugly. Well, even when they were ugly, they were pretty. But now they're just like a Birchbox situation. This lavender, what is it, yellowy green color. So these are pretty. I saved these boxes. Anyway, so this is Embrace Your Beauty. I want you to rate and review. Well, yeah. Anyway, I don't rate and review them because I get all angry. Anyway, so I know right from the top, I love this. I know I have 50 of these things. So this looks like a repeat from the winter box, right? Anyway, I use this, so I shouldn't complain. However, I have so many of them lined up in my bathroom cabinet. I legitimately have probably 8 of these, and I have 2 more. One from like Birchbox from a year ago, and then one kind of a different type from Target, like a L'Oreal version. So I have 10 now. Now I'll have 11 of these, right? Yeah, I'll have 11 of these lined up in my bathroom. And it takes me forever to get through it. They're just a lotion. You put them on after you get out of the shower. It's a wet skin moisturizer. It takes a few days, and you gradually start to change colors. It is for fair to medium skin tones. It's perfect for me. I'm really white. I got a sunburn, though, in Ireland. Look at that. Just sidetrack here. Ireland was so amazing. It never rained one time. This is the 3rd time I've been there. Every single time it has been just soaking wet, awful, misting all the time, cold. This time it was in the 60s and sunny every single day. Could not have been more magical. Just, I hate being home. I want to be back right now. Anyway, so this is great stuff. If you're fair like me, it gradually turns your pasty white skin a little bit more tolerable. This stuff I love. I'm using it right now, the full container. I paid full price for it because I loved it so much. I'll use this one again. It's the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This is crushed macadamia and rice milk. There are different scents. There's no way on earth I could even begin to tell you what those scents are, but I don't know what they are, so instead I just use this one, and I love it. It is so gently exfoliating. It's good for your face even, and I just love it. So I cannot say enough about that. This is a new product that we haven't gotten. Soft Soap Earth Blends in coconut and fig. It's an interesting combination. So it's a body wash. This is a repeat offender here. This is the Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. I believe I gave away, I just got a dog hair fly by my face. I have a German Shepherd who is shedding. When I came home from vacation, we had a dog sitter, and they're not required to, vacuum or clean your house or anything. They clean up pet waste if they've made a mess, which we only had one mess the entire week that we were gone. Actually 8 days that we were gone, only one mess, so that's really good. It was from my son's little brat dog. But anyway, we have a German Shepherd who was shedding so bad that when we came home, my tile floor looked like I had carpet. There was that much hair. And every day I'm having to vacuum twice a day, and it is still just crazy hairy in my house. I don't think it's ever been this bad before, but now I have a hair flying by me. Anyway, I just babble on. This Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask, I believe I'd had once before, and I gave it away to Melanie Butterfly, who was the winner of the mask giveaway. So I'm accumulating a bunch of masks again, so eventually I'll do another mask giveaway. This is just some information about the... That's weird. We didn't get this. I did get this product, though. This is some information about the Whole Blends Oat Delicacy shampoo and conditioner, which is fantastic. However, I didn't get that in this box. I did get it. Oh, no, I did. Oh, it's at the bottom. Oh, yay. Sorry. I have jet lag very bad. Anyway, I just got this in the Pinch Me box I just showed with you guys, and now I got another one. I really do like this stuff. I think I've reviewed it in April with you guys, and I didn't think I would like it, but the smell is so good of it, so good. And even though I would prefer to use smoothing shampoo because my hair is a disaster, this was actually very good to my hair. Anyway, so I really liked it, so that's good. Okay, so that is it, and then there's an information about that soft soap. Normally there's a coupon, but there's no coupon attached to this. So anyway, a shampoo and conditioner that I will use. In fact, I took one of those samples, two sets of samples to Ireland with me, so I'm going to do a review probably at the end of June to cover May and June's products. I didn't have a whole lot of stuff used in May, so I'll just combine June with it. But anyway, so here's the Donkey Milk, the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo conditioner, this fantastic Dove body scrub. Nothing against it, it's a good product, I just have so many of them, but a Jergens Natural Glow wet skin moisturizer. So this is all body stuff. I bet you this is classic because it's all body stuff. So whoever was lucky enough to get the Trendsetter, I would like to know what you guys got. But anyway, then the soft soap body wash, and that is it. That's it. I don't know where my Trendsetter box is because I'm pretty sure this is a classic box. Again, $5 for the shipping and handling. The products are all free. Walmart, beautybox.com. Sign up. There's no referrals or anything like that. It's a quarterly subscription service. They send you an email saying that they're going to be getting out of your bank, and then about a week later they'll take the money out of your account, and then like 6 years later you'll get the box. So just kidding, it takes a while though. However, again, it's free stuff, so what am I complaining about, right? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to do the Target beauty boxes for June next, and I think I'll be done for the month. Thank you.